Hey guys, welcome. So today I'm going to be talking about asparagus and leeks, their nutritional value, how to prep them and cut them, and the different ways to cook them. Alright, so this is an asparagus. They are low in calories and they are a great source of nutrients, including folate, fiber, vitamins A, C, and K. And they can help to improve your digestion, lower blood pressure, and they can even help to reduce bloating. So to prepare asparagus, all you have to do is wash them and then pat dry them with some paper towels. Then after that, you're just going to cut off these woody ends, and then you're good to go. So some different ways that you can cook asparagus is you can roast them or grill them and eat them as side dishes, or you can blanch them and eat them with a salad. You can also saute them and add them to a frittata or to pasta. Some foods that they pair well with is bacon, tuna, chicken, and lamb. All right, so this is a leek, and it contains a variety of nutrients that can help to reduce inflammation, promote heart health, and also good digestion. Leeks are related to garlic, onion, shallots, and chives, and they have a sweet oniony flavor, and they are good for building flavor within your dishes. So when preparing leeks, first you're going to want to wash them and dry them, and then you're going to cut off these big leafy greens. And then after that, you can either cut them into slices, or you can cut them in half, and then you can make little half moons with them. And then after that, you might want to wash them again because sometimes they can still be dirty on the inside. All right, so when cooking leeks, you can roast them or grill them as side items or like in a kebab. You can also saute them and add that to a dish. You don't really want to eat the leaves, but you can save them and add it to vegetable stock to really enhance that flavor. And then they are really good in soups, pasta, omelets, and casseroles. So if you don't have any leeks, then you can switch it for a mild sweet onion or green onion or even shallots, but the shallots might provide a slightly different flavor. Leeks, they pair well with potatoes, carrots, and mushrooms, like in a soup. And then you can also eat them as a side dish with like chicken, fish, eggs, lentils, pork, and rice. And if you don't have an onion, then leeks can be a good alternative for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or any other foods that you want me to cover, just let me know.